Welcome to today's presentation. Now in today's presentation, we are going to look at KCSE Mathematics Paper 2, the year 2017, and we are going to look at question number 1. So question number 1 is about quadratic equations. So the question reads, the roots of a quadratic equation are x is -3/5 and x is 1. Form the quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are integers. So in this question, we are given the solutions or the roots of the quadratic equation, and then from the roots we are required to work backwards in order to get the quadratic equation that gives us the roots. So we have the roots x is equal to -3/5 and x is equal to 1. So how do you go about this? So we have the solution. First, we have the root x is equal to -3/5. When we take -3/5 to the left hand side, we have x plus 3/5, and then on the right hand side we'll have 0. So this is obtained from the first root. We can also do the same for the second root. So we have x is equal to 1, or rather 1 going to the left hand side will give us x minus 1, and then we equate to 0. So there's something we need to note. If you have a number, let's say a, which is 0, and then b also equated to 0, then their products would be 0 too. So that is what we are going to apply for this particular case. So let x plus 3/5 be a and x minus 1 be b. So when we multiply the two brackets, we are going to have this. So therefore, we have the first bracket by the second bracket equated to 0. So the next step is to expand. So when we expand, we are going to multiply each and every term in the first bracket by the second bracket. So we have x times the first bracket, or rather x times the second bracket. That is what we have here, x times x minus 1. And then we're also going to multiply 3/5 times the second bracket. Again, we have right here, and then we equate it to 0. Now expanding further, we'll have x by x, that gives us x squared, x by -1, that gives us -x, then 3/5 by x is 3/5x. We also have 3/5 by -1, that gives us -3/5, and then we equate to 0. Finally, we can combine the like terms. So we have right in the middle here, -x plus 3/5x, that should give us -2/5. So we have -2/5x. So rewriting this equation, we have x squared minus 2/5x minus 3/5 is equal to 0. But remember, we were told to leave the quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are integers. So for this particular case, we are not going to retain these fractions, so we look for a way to eliminate the fractions. So we'll be able to achieve that by multiplying this equation here by the LCM, and the LCM happens to be 5, so we multiply by 5, and that finally gives us 5x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And that finally is the quadratic equation as was required in the question. So that is it for this question. I want to thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next question, which will be question number 2.